أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ضرب الله مثل عبدا مملوكا لا يقدر على شيء ومن رزقناه منا رزقا حسنا فهو ينفق منه سرا وجهرا هل يستوون الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Allah cites the example of a bonded slave, who has no power over anything, and someone to whom we have given plentiful provision, from which he gives secretly and openly. Are they equal in comparison? All praise belongs to Allah, but most of them do not know.